There is a wide variety of scaffold being used on a construction site. Stationary scaffolds such as tubular welded are the most common. Hydraulic and crank-up scaffolds are also widely used. Swing scaffolds and mobile scaffolds are not so common, but oftentimes have many hazards. All scaffolds must be constructed and dismantled under the direct supervision of a trained and certified scaffold builder. There is often an element of risk when doing this work, and if done properly, the risk will be minimized. This will be done by only allowing one worker who is experienced and trained to enter an unprotected area and immediately work to make the area safe. This process is reversed when dismantling the scaffold. All scaffolds must be on stable footing, made level and plumb. All working platforms must have a top rail and mid-rail as well as being fully planked. All scaffolds' base depth is the distance from the front leg to the back leg, and it must be anchored to the building once its height is 4 times the base depth. Never remove braces or rails unless absolutely necessary and approved by the supervisor. These items must be replaced immediately. Never work on a scaffold that has been tagged red, and give the scaffold a quick visual inspection each and every time you get on it. Crank-up and hydraulic scaffolds have many moving parts and a different set of requirements as well as other potential hazards. When working on these scaffolds for the first time, let everyone know that you are new to this and listen to what the experienced workers tell you. Make sure all tools and materials are free of obstructions before raising the scaffolding. Never use extension ladders for access to the scaffold. That is a good way to cause an accident. These scaffolds have internal ladder systems that are to be used. Mobile scaffolds and swing scaffolds require site-specific training. Never ride a rolling scaffold when it is being moved. Always get off the scaffold when it is time to move it. Man lifts and scissor lifts are other forms of mobile scaffolds. Man lifts in particular not only require training, but the operator must be certified. A harness and short lanyard must be worn and clipped to the basket at all times when in a man lift. Neither lift may be used as an elevator to raise and lower workers to and from parts of the building. Like any other equipment on a job site, see and be seen. When the boom of a man lift is going in one direction, the counterweight is coming in another. This is often in the operator's blind spot, so stay clear and never walk between the man lift and another object without getting the operator's attention and letting him know that you are coming through.